Let's paint Gimli, the fierce and loyal dwarven warrior, ready to face the evil of Middle-earth with axe in hand. In this series, we're painting all the models from Fantasy Flight's Lord of the Rings Journeys in Middle-earth, using only the speed paints from Army Painter's Most Wanted set. The goal? Fully painted models in just a few evenings, with a simple, beginner-friendly method that still looks great on the table. We're starting each one with a zenithal prime. Full details are in the priming video. Start with warrior skin on the face and hands. Paint the trousers with slaughter red. Use dark wood for the boots and axe handle. Apply desolate brown to the leather armour, shoulders and braces. Cloak, go with forest green. Mix Nuclear Sunrise and Speed Paint Medium 50-50 for Gimli's hair, beard and eyebrows, giving that fiery dwarven tone. Use broadsword silver on the axe head and chainmail. Pick out the armour panels, shoulders and bracer details and the raised designs on the axe head with hoplite gold. Gimli is ready to defend the Fellowship with axe in hand and the unbreakable will of the dwarves.